Al bacio. Hi guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Guys, today something very easy, Mediterranean and super delicious. We're going to make some chicken kebab marinade in a very easy way. I show you what we need, few ingredients. Of course, I'm gonna do this with chicken breast, some salt and pepper, breadcrumb, lemon, garlic, and some parsley. We don't need anything else. Okay, I show you. We start prepare the marinade. Take a bowl and put inside some bread. Depend on how much chicken breast you're gonna do. I'm gonna cut 3 chicken breasts, but they big one. Maybe I'm gonna cut even 2. It's gonna be just my dinner. And this is 250 grams of breadcrumb. I think gonna be enough. And parsley, I chop some parsley. Just depend how much you need, guys. Okay, some parsley inside, some lemon zest, and always, guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on the channel if you can. Check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. Yeah, there's a little bit more here and here. Okay, this is done. Do the same with the garlic. I put just one, guys, but if you like more. Okay. We need some salt and pepper. And now, guys, we're gonna cut the chicken breast. I want to use this. It was more easy for when I cleaned the chicken. Okay, take your chicken breast. Easy, guys. Just dice it. There it is. How big you like. I would just want to say, more big you do, more time they take for cooking. Because this one is very easy. You can do or grill, pan fry it on gas or in the oven. I don't know what I'm gonna do really. I'm gonna decide in this video. Cut all your dice. I'll show you another one. And later finish your chicken and I'll show you the next step, okay? Okay, guys, my chicken breast dice is ready. Some salt, and pepper. Mix roughly like that. It's okay. Time to wash my hands. And now take as well your lemon, because we need lemon juice. Okay? You want? Just inside like that. And 2. Okay, some olive oil. It's like a couple teaspoons. And the chicken just inside. And mix the best you can. Very nice. Take your time. Go there. When you mix very nice this, I show you the next step. Guys, gonna be something like this, and they ready to put it on the stick. And you have your kebab. I show you one. Don't put too many because you have to. It's gonna be easy to cook. You know, it's this. Like that. I make you another one. Easy. And these guys really on the you can pan fry it or just in the oven. Up to you. You know? I cannot wait to try this. Yeah, job done. You see? Make your kebab and I show you when we're gonna cook it. Okay guys, my kebab they're ready. Look how beautiful and easy, very easy. But I decided to cook them in, I wanna pan fry them. But if you want to put in the oven, you can put in the oven. Anyway, the gas is already on. Some olive oil, or which oil you like. And get in, man. This they gonna cook around 3 minutes per side, all the way around, and they done. I won't put all of them. Okay, guys, put the gas not too strong, about 2.5 3 minutes per side, all the way, okay, all the way. And I'm gonna show you later. Already the smell, my camera woman already said, the smell is very good. Anyway, see you soon. I show you on the way what's going on, okay? It's just a couple minutes. They look amazing. Look at crust. Oh, fantastic. I can't wait to try it. My beautiful kebab, they ready. That's why I prefer on the pan fry, because in the oven we don't have this crust, you know? Now, what we're gonna do, they're still very hot, but the smell is absolutely amazing. And now we're gonna try. Look at that, super soft. Look at that. Wow. Albacho, guys, absolutely delicious. You have to try it. Easy. In half an hour, everything is ready. And that's it, guys. My chicken kebab, delicious is this. Always, if you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao.